well it's going to show up on camera. The reason I'm changing these, if you see, there's that little, is that brown right there? It's going to be in different areas depending on where the sun hit it. That brown spot there doesn't look too bad during the day, but at night when the infrared kicks on the cameras, where it's actually been affected comes out as like a big old blur on the camera. So we're going to swap these out for new lens caps, like these ones. And these, pull out a new one here. These, if you look, they are really clear. So these will work great for a couple years. Hopefully by then we got new cameras at this site, but we'll see. I tried doing headlight cleaner on these. This one here is one of them that got a little bit of it. It just doesn't work like it should. Like I'm sure it works great for headlights on cars, but when you're looking through something with a camera versus shining a light through it to see down the road, it's kind of two different things. So had to do this. They're less than 10 bucks a pop. They just take forever to get here because this came straight from China. Took a long time to get these, so that's really all I'm doing here, just swapping these out. We'll find out tonight how well it works, if my guesstimation was right. Another thing that kind of sucks, I managed to misplace one of my screws for these. So every single one of these I have to pop one screw out so I can put it in the missing one I just took out. Kind of a pain. Put this guy here by. That front, that would be a spider in there. And I hate spiders. Absolutely hate spiders. Thank God it's dead. That's the only good spider. But this lens is also a totally different camera. I didn't realize there were two different cameras at this site. So I have to make do with what we got here. That is sharp. That is really sharp. I just cut myself good there. Wow. That lip on there just cut really good. Wrapping that up later. Wow. Man. That's why I can't have nice things right here. Where did my black tape go? So I'm gonna take my finger out. Shoot. Man, that sucks. Get down to just bleeding for a little bit. I'll show you how bad this little spider nest is. Oh shoot, I hate a rag. I am not touching that spider. I hate spiders. Nest right there. Ooh, I hate spiders. Finger up though, because I am tired of bleeding everywhere. This sucks. Did not want to have to bandage myself up today. There's a Wally World down the street I guess we'll go to. Or Home Depot. Maybe I'll find something I can't live without. Like a first aid kit. Gosh. Oh shoot. I wonder. Forgot. Whenever I go places, I bring this bag with me. I call it my Bob. It stands for bug out bag. Not to be mistaken for the other Bob. There should be first aid stuff in here though. Like, fine, screw this rag. Join modern society. We are not rubbing this with alcohol though. You can get infected and fall off. Not rubbing this with alcohol. Ugh. Beautiful. All right. It's actually my dad that started doing this and made them for us for Christmas one year, actually. Something that always comes in handy. A couple days of food in it. A lot of Band-Aids, evidently.